So, of course, you are an attorney and that too with 25 years of experience, a pretty long time. So, according to you, if you could share some common myth that you have encountered about the H-1B visa, because H-1B is highly demanding and highly popular. So, let's begin with that.
All right. I mean, there's a lot of myths out there. There's a lot of untruths. There is a lot of discrepancies. One of the things that makes me laugh sometimes is I'm on a lot of forums with other, H-1B people, right? And, you have Telegram, you have WhatsApp, all this. And sometimes when I see the flow of the things that are being said, I'm like, oh my God, where did this all come from? But some of the common things I think out there about the H-1B program is that it's like a cheap labor program. Like, companies are just hiring individuals to bring in cheap workers. And that's actually not true. Like, that's one of the biggest faults or one of the biggest myths out there. An H-1B worker actually has to be paid a certain base salary that's issued by the government, not by the employer, not by me, not by them, by the employer, by the government. And so they are not allowed to pay them minimum wage or any of those type of things. They're actually very high, higher paid salaries and stuff. So there is this unfortunate thing out there that, when they see somebody who is foreign, that they automatically assume that's some sort of cheap labor coming in. So that's one of the biggest myths I have seen, just in the environment, not necessarily with the people who are on these visas, but just the environment that, hey, they're coming in, they're doing this type of cheap work, and that's what the only reason that employers are sponsoring them. The second thing I really find very interesting that people don't understand is it is very expensive to file an H-1B. So it costs money. It's not like you're paying $10 to file something for someone. It's thousands and thousands of dollars. An H-1B, depending on certain things, can cost anywhere between 7,000 to 8,000 to hire this person. So why? Why would a company want to expend that kind of money if this is cheap labor? Wouldn't that mean that is an exceptional person? That is talent. Yes, they're foreign talent, but they are still talent. So why would we not bring those kind of people in?